What is Google Ads? Google AdWord explained. Google Ads is a tool by Google that lets you advertise your product, whatever it may be, on the internet. Main website, ads.google.com, gonna get started. So over here, you will have to choose your objective first. If it's sales, you'll probably have to have a product similar to a website or an online store or something like that. Then you have lead generation, website traffic, products or brand consideration, brand awareness and reach, app promotion, and many more. Website traffic, right? We want people to come over to our website. So we'll just choose that. And over here, this is the type of ads that you will get. So either their search results, performance max, displayed, shopping, or video ads, or discovery, right? As you can see, this is like a search ad, right? Like people search for a different topic and ads will pull up on Google. So if I search for Google ads, right? So we have this one right here. But as you can see, the ads comes first. We also have performance max, where it will reach audiences across the Google with a single campaign. A display, it will run a different kind of ads across the web. It's not showing up right now, but usually, as you can see right here, this was one ad. It'll pop up over here onto the right hand side, even on YouTube. So like this is what I was talking about. This is another example of Google Ads. We'll play this one. So this is the video ad that I was talking about. This is the one of the examples. As you can see right here, video ad. Then we have discovery as well, right over here, where we could discover a new website right here. As you can see, search max. This is another example of ads. Basically, this is how you will advertise your products. So then you just simply choose which one you want. We'll go with the we are looking for websites. You could go with max or display, whatever you want. It all depends on you. Let's go with video searches this time. For this one, you will have to set up conversion tracking, meaning on YouTube. Then we'll add the campaign name and click on continue. Add the biddings, which will be either clicks, whatever you want. So over here we have clicks, conversions, other optimization, impression shares. It all depends on you. And you can set a maximum cost per click as well. So we'll just say $1. Then we'll click on next, and down below we will have to set up locations and languages as well for all countries and territories. This is another thing that you have to understand. The more broader the area or location you enter, the cheaper it. If I choose to enter a specific locations, Los Angeles, LA, California, this will reach 29,500 people, but it will be much more. We'll go ahead and click on target. We have that right here. Then you can add more locations to your liking. You can add more languages as well. And then you can go ahead and add audience segments as well if you want that. Then you can just simply click on next. You add in your URL for your keywords. Then you enter a URL keyword scanning. You enter in the URL, then it will show you some keywords that match the best for your URL. You enter the product or service to advertise, and then you add a bunch of keywords to target them. And then you will see the ad strength right here. That should include headlines, popular keywords, unique headlines, and unique descriptions, and it will be shown right over here as an example. And once you are done with all of that, then you just set up your budget and then pay for it. I mean, you've already set up your budget, which is like $1 per click. Up to you to add different keywords, adding your website URL, and then reviewing the budget, and then launching the AdWord. So this is what Google Ads is. It's basically an advertisement tool used to promote different products on the internet.